Gary. Actually, we're going to go ahead and do this. Let's flip them first. All right, Coach Gary, whenever you guys are ready. Are you guys ready out there to see our first of 3 new jerseys for the Hilltoppers? That's nice. All right, here's jersey number 2. We've got the white jersey now. Ready to go. What do you think, Hilltopper Nation? About these great new jerseys.
Hey, thanks everybody for coming. This looks great. Everybody's going down to Nashville, right? I'd just like to thank Gary Barfield and Russell Athletics for everything they did to design and put these uniforms together, and the helmet. And, you know, one thing you always want to do about uniforms is it really helps you in recruiting, and you want your players to look good, feel good, and play good. So I don't think there's any question that the design, the material, the uniqueness that Russell put into putting all this together, I can't thank them enough. And for everybody coming here tonight, let's have a lot of fun. Our players will be here, some of our assistant coaches, sign autographs, answer some questions. But again, all this enthusiasm, all this energy, we need to carry over. August 31st, Nashville, 6 o'clock kickoff. Let's get ready to go.